Millennium, in honor of May the 4th, we will be making pretzel lightsabers.
First, we melted the chocolate. Scrumptious. Now we're dipping the pretzels. And oh look, here comes the M&Ms.
Oh, would you look at that? They're done. Oh yeah, putting the M&Ms on there. Pretty good. Gonna be tasty, huh? Oh yeah, pretty good. Well, we're making the green. Pretty good. Yoda won't be proud, but you know, that's fine. Alright, look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at all them pretzels covered in chocolate. They look amazing. Perfectly good. So good, so good. I don't know why there's yellow on the green one, but alright.
It was pretty hard. We had to boil water and then make a double broiler so that we could melt the mini melts without burning plastic in the microwave. That was styrofoam. And then we just had to coat the pretzel sticks and the M&Ms. The decorating part was easy, but the melting of the mini melts was the hardest. You can probably tell it's a lightsaber, but it's not the best thing we've ever done.
What colors did you do?
We did red,
blue,
we
and
tried
green.
doing blue, but it mixed up.
Red, blue, and green. Go ahead, try it for your first time.
That's good.
We're gonna see if anyone else wants to try a lightsaber.
Let's go.
Look at that. Stop right there. I have one of these.
Cookie. Yeah.
Would you like a lightsaber? Don't. Okay. All right. You can pick that one. That's fine.
Oh.
That's one of the I want one. Would you like a lightsaber?
Yes, please.
It's good, guys.
Cool.
Thanks.
Let's go.
What did you think of the lightsaber snacks?
They were disgusting.
What did you think about the lightsaber snack?
They were so good, and they're good to fight people with.
They were good.
They were amazing. It was a perfect combination of sweet and salty. It was delicious. Had M&Ms, the chocolate icing, delicious. Everything about it, delicious.
Well, I personally thought that where are you going? Hey, hey.
What did you think of the lightsaber snack?
And you know what? They were pretty good. Better than I thought they'd be because you microwaved them, but pretty good, pretty good.